Hello. I've just had big technical failures. I've just spent half an hour making you videos and they all failed, so now I'm going to do it again, which is probably why I sound a little bit grumpy. I'm not grumpy with you, I'm just grumpy with my computer. I need to teach you to remember these things that are on the screen. Planar surface, extrude curve, extrude surface, split and loft. If you can do these things, then you're all good to make any shape, because now we need to make some more complicated shapes, right, on our models. So over here, we've all been able to do squares, we can do circles. Some of you have tried to do twisty lines, so this one, click, 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 click. Right, and some of you have done, oh no, I'm not going to do that one quite like that. Let me just fix this. That's better. Okay, so we've all done these things, Z, A, E. Right, I need you to remember this one, planar surface. So planar surface is hidden under here, but in Rhino, if you just start writing PLN, you can see planar surface comes up. Click enter, select the curves, press enter again, then you have a surface. Okay, to repeat the same command again, we press enter, press enter, press enter. Enter just repeats the command. Alright, so we have 3 planar surfaces. Let's see what happens if I try and planar surface this one. I expect it's not going to work, but we'll find out because it's not a closed surface. Okay, so if you look down the bottom here, no faces were made, curve must be closed and planar. So no good, we can't make a planar surface from that. We'll come back to this guy soon. Once we have got our planar surfaces, we can extrude surface. Okay. Again, you can remember where this is if you want. It's underneath here. But if you just start writing extrude, you don't need to click in here. You can if you want, but you can just be on the menu and you can just write extrude. So long as you've got a curve, extrude curve, and you've got extrude surface. We want to use surface because we're trying to stretch a surface. Extrude basically means to stretch something, push something through. Press enter, the surface to extrude, so we want to extrude that one. You can press enter, you can either put a number at this point, 40, it extrudes it out 40 millimeters, or you can click and it just extrudes it how far you've clicked. Okay, so we have those shapes there. So you can draw, look, we've got a little duck down here, cylinder and a square. So you can draw anything you want by putting those together. This one here, slightly more complex because it's not a closed shape. So for that, we use this one up here, extrude curve. So same thing, extrude. Instead of surface, we want curve. You can either use your keyboard to move up, or you can just click it with your mouse. Got extrude curve. Select the curves to extrude. This one. Press enter when you're done. Okay, and it moves out here. Right. So I've extruded that. Now that's just a surface. It's flat like paper, so the 3D printer can't print it. So same thing. Extrude surface now, because it's a surface. We click it. Ooh. I wonder if we're going to be able to do all of them. We'll find out. So we click all of them, press go. Now it's going like this, right? It's going up and down. What I think I'd like is if it kind of went out in this angle. So I'm going to click direction, and then I'm going to click twice. It's asking for the direction up here. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to click again. Oh, this is totally not going to work. My shape's not very good. You see this like problem down here? It's going to overlap. Let's just draw it and see what happens. So we have this kind of messy shape over here. It has managed to make a solid. There you go. So you can draw any kind of shape that you want. I'm going to be back very soon with another video, provided this works. If it doesn't, you're going to see a very grumpy me next time.